Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the F1TV Error Code BM2000. As per our research, the error mainly comes on Roku devices. Users have reported receiving the error while trying to use the F1TV app on Roku TV or Roku 4K stick. According to our research, the error may be caused by a temporary glitch with the Roku device or any issues with the F1TV app itself. In some cases, it might also be connected to account-related or server-side issues. To deal with the error first, try restarting your Roku device. Please don't just turn off your TV. Instead, shut down your device and then disconnect your Roku TV from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and restart your Roku device. Once the Roku restarts, check if the error is gone. If the error still comes, then try logging out from your F1TV account. After that, restart your device and log back into your account and check if the app works without the error. If the issue continues, then delete the F1TV app from your Roku and reinstall it. Once reinstalled, launch the app again and check for the error. In case the error is still not resolved, go to the F1TV website from a browser, then log into your account and remove previously connected devices from the account settings. Once done, check again if the F1TV app works on your Roku. If nothing helps, then the issue might be from the server's end. We suggest waiting for some time and trying again. Meanwhile, try using the F1TV app on any other device like a PC or Android phone or Android TV to continue watching, as this issue is specific to the Roku. So it is possible that F1TV works without the error on the other devices. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.